Blessed morning, saints. Look, my topic for this morning is clean hands, pure heart, the true qualification for God's presence. You see, friends, my key text is found in Psalms chapter 24, 3-4. The Bible says, "Who may ascend the hills of the Lord? He who has clean hands and a pure heart." Friends, let me ask you a question. Do you want to stand in God's holy presence? You see, the psalmist makes it so clear that it's not about titles, it's not about money, it's not about influence, it's not about the type of job you have. Friends, it's about clean hands and a pure heart. Friends, see, let me say this. Clean hands means right actions, living with integrity, honesty, and kindness. And a pure heart, it means right motives, serving God not for show, but out of love. You see, friends, Ellen White once wrote the following statement. She says the following: "The greatest want of the world is the one of man. Men who will not be bought or sold, men whose conscience is as true to duty as the needle to the pole." Education, page 57. And friends, that's what God is calling us to do. Friends, let me say this. You and I cannot climb God's mountain with filthy hands. See, friends, purity is not perfection. It's daily surrender to Christ. You see, the closer you get to Jesus, the cleaner your hands and purer your heart becomes. So today, don't just seek God's blessing. Seek His presence, because only those with clean hands and a pure hearts will stand before Him. God bless.